Welcome to the Gleaners Corporate Coffee Mornings, a fortnightly program in which we speak to members of corporate Jamaica about matters of importance to you, our viewers. Today we're joined by members of the CIBC FirstCaribbean family, and joining me now are Managing Director, Mr. Holness, and also Mr. Berrisford Gray. Mr. Gray is the Executive Director for Investment Banking. Who is your typical client?
Our typical clients are large corporates and government agency. Our investment banking, as I said, span the Caribbean. I am based here and leads that team, and we have resources in Cayman, Barbados, Trinidad, Bahamas. And over the years, I would say over the last 6 years, we probably raised over 3.5 billion, covering different type of projects and different type of products for our clients. In Jamaica, we have a very strong team led by myself, and we have about 2 or 3 other persons on the ground who support that effort. And we have been involved in most of the major financing in Jamaica. So our corporate clients, the large corporates and the government agencies, we work closely with them to understand their needs and deliver, syndicated loan, bond solutions, preference share solutions, and the likes. Once we understand the client needs, our goal is to create a solution that really optimizes value for our clients.
So I was in the Bahamas last week. How is the Bahamas business portfolio? Is that the largest?
From a corporate bank point of view, the Bahamas is the FirstCaribbean largest corporate portfolio. From an investment banking point of view, we also have done tremendously well in that market. We do a lot of big loans. We do like $213 million loan for the electricity company there. We have a good franchise there from an investment banking corporate, and generally the bank is a leader in that market. But to bring the message a little bit closer back home, we are now in the process of closing one of the largest preference share offering ever to be done in Jamaica for one of the large corporates here.
You're not going to say who?
No, we won't say who.
Okay.
Yeah, some of these deals are private.
Yes.
So that's a very significant transactions. We have been involved in, and we are currently also in the market looking at another regional preference share offering. So that's a value proposition that we offer versus other bank who might be involved in capital markets. We have a regional platform from Jamaica to
Were your
Dutch
clients nervous, hesitant, following the whole IMF trauma that we just went through with getting the agreement signed?
Yes, clients are, I wouldn't say nervous, clients are more cautious. At the end of the day, the way we think about transaction in capital markets, there's a state of nature, meaning the sovereign, the IMF issues, interest rate parameters, and general liquidity in the market.
But you offer good interest rates enough to keep them.
So those are given. What we have to do and what we do well is to figure out what is the best solution given the situation. So with the IMF negotiation going on, we have to understand where things like interest rate are likely to go, where things like the FX rate are likely to go, and try to say to our clients, is it the right time, for example, to raise a long-term bond, or is it the long time to raise a short-term bond? Is it the right time to finance your projects or needs using $J or US based on what we think interest rate will go? So our job is to find the solution no matter what the circumstances.
Tailor-made for the specific client.
Yes.
Thank you very much, gentlemen, for sharing with us this morning. You have been watching the Gleaners Corporate Coffee Mornings, and we came to you live from Crew Bar, and that's upstairs the CPJ Market along Lady Musgrave Road in Kingston.